There are some clocks which shows more time or less time than actual time. In this video lecture, we will solve problems related to these clocks. One problem is how much more time or less time clock shows in a day. One more problem, if such a clock shows some time, for example, if such a clock shows 10 o'clock, what is the actual time? Or if actual time is 10 o'clock, what time clock shows? We also solve some other problems related to these clocks. Suppose a clock is gaining 10 minutes per day, means in a day clock shows 10 minutes more time than actual time. Day has 24 hours. So in 24 hours clock shows 10 minutes more time, means clock shows 24 hours 10 minutes. Convert 10 minutes also into hours. 10 minutes equal to 10 by 60 hours. So total time shown by clock is 24 plus 10 by 60 hours. So 10 by 60, 1 by 6. If we simplify this, then it becomes 145 by 6 hours. Means in 24 hours of exact time, clock shows 145 by 6 hours. Now let us see one more clock. Suppose this clock loses 10 minutes per day. Means this clock shows 10 minutes less time than actual time. Day has 24 hours, but in 24 hours of exact time, this clock shows 10 minutes less time. 10 minutes less than 24 hours means clock shows 23 hours 50 minutes. Convert 50 minutes into hours, that is equal to 50 by 60 hours. Total time shown by clock is 23 plus 50 by 60 hours, that is equal to 23 plus 5 by 6 hours. If we simplify this, we will get 143 by 6 hours. Means in 24 hours of exact time, clock shows 143 by 6 hours. Now let us see one problem. Two clocks are set right. Set right means those two clocks won't show correct time. They made it correct at a particular moment. One clock is losing 2 minutes per hour. Other clock is gaining 1 minute per hour. When will the gap between two clocks be exactly 1 hour? One clock is losing 2 minutes per hour means if exact time is 1 hour, clock shows in 1 hour of exact time, clock shows 58 minutes. Other clock is gaining 1 minute per hour means in 1 hour of exact time or in 60 minutes of exact time, clock shows 61 minutes, 1 minute more. When will the gap between the two clocks be exactly 1 hour? Gap between two clocks is 1 hour means if one clock shows 9, other clock shows 10, then gap between two clocks is 1 hour. Now suppose the two clocks are set right at 9 o'clock. When exact time is 10 o'clock, so 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock gap is 1 hour. So in 1 hour of exact time, first clock loses 2 minutes. So that's why when exact time is 10 o'clock, first clock shows 9:58. Second clock gains 1 minute in 1 hour, 1 hour of exact time. So when exact time is 10 o'clock, second clock shows 10:01, 10 hours 1 minute. So when exact time is 10 o'clock, the gap between these two clocks is 3 minutes. 10:01, 9:58 gap is 3 minutes. So in 1 hour, time gap between two clocks is 3 minutes. Or to make 3 minutes gap, they take 1 hour. Problem is how much time they take to make 60 minutes or 1 hour gap. So for 3 minutes gap they require 1 hour. For 60 minutes gap they require 60 by 3 20 hours. Means after 20 hours time gap between two clocks is 1 hour. Now one problem. How much does a watch gain or lose per day if its hands coincide for every 65 minutes? I told you in the previous classes, for every 65 5 by 11 minutes, hands of the clock coincide. But in this clock, hands coincide for every 65 minutes. I give you an example. At this moment, suppose at this moment, hour hand in a clock is at 1. Actually, after 1 hour, hour hand will come to 2. But if hour hand come to 2 from 1 after 55 minutes, then what will we say? We will say clock is showing 1 hour in 55 minutes. In 55 minutes, clock is showing 60 minutes. Means clock is gaining 5 minutes. Clock is showing 5 minutes more time. Like this. Actually, in a perfect clock, hands should be coincide for every 65 5 by 11 minutes. But in this clock, hands coincide for 65 minutes. Means for every 65 minutes, this clock is showing 65 5 by 11 minutes. Means this clock is showing 5 by 11 minutes more time. Our clock is gaining 5 by 11 minutes. Tell me, in how much time clock is gaining 5 by 11 minutes? What is the actual time happened? Actual time happened is 65 minutes. In 65 minutes of exact time, clock is showing 65 5 by 11 minutes. So clock is showing 5 by 11 minutes in 65 minutes of exact time. So here exact time is 65 minutes, not 65 5 by 11 minutes. So clock is gaining 5 by 11 minutes for every 65 minutes of exact time. Tell me how many minutes clock gains in 60 minutes of exact time. Now see this one. If actual time is 65 minutes, clock gains 5 by 11 minutes, or it shows 5 by 11 minutes more time. If actual time is 60 minutes, how much more time clock shows? We can find like this by using this 5 by 11 into 60 by 65, that is equal to 60 by 143 minutes. Means in 1 hour clock gains 60 by 143 minutes. How many minutes it gained in 24 hours? In 1 hour it gains 60 by 143 minutes. In 24 hours it gains 24 into 60 by 143, that is equal to 1440 by 143. It is improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction, then it becomes 10 by 143 minutes. So this clock gains or shows 10 by 143 minutes more time in 24 hours of exact time. Now let us see one more problem. If hands of a clock coincide for every 66 minutes, find the time lost by a clock per day. Just now I told you in the previous problem, in a perfect watch, hands of the clock coincide for every 65 5 by 11 minutes. But in this clock, hands coincide for every 66 minutes. I give you one example. Suppose at this moment in a clock, hour hand is at 1. If it is a perfect watch, after 60 minutes, hour hand should come to 2. Suppose hour hand in that watch, hour hand come to 2 after 65 minutes. If hour hand come to 2 from 1 after 65 minutes, means in 65 minutes, clock is showing 60 minutes. Means clock is showing 5 minutes less time than actual time. Like this, hands should coincide in a perfect watch. Hands should coincide for every 65 5 11 minutes. But in this watch, hands coincide for every 66 minutes, means for every 66 minutes clock is showing 65 5 by 11 minutes. So clock is showing some less time. How many minutes less time clock is showing? 66 minus 65 5 by 11, that is equal to 6 by 11 minutes. Clock is showing 6 by 11 minutes less time, or losing 6 by 11 minutes in how much time? What is the actual time happened? Actual time happened is 66 minutes. So in 66 minutes of exact time, clock is showing 6 by 11 minutes less time, or losing 6 by 11 minutes. How much time, how many minutes clock loses in 60 minutes of correct time or exact time? Or how many minutes less time clock shows in 60 minutes of exact time? If actual time is 66 minutes, clock loses 6 by 11 minutes. If actual time is 60 minutes, how many minutes clock loses? We can find like this: 6 by 11 into 60 by 66. If we simplify this, we will get 60 by 121 minutes. Means in 1 hour clock loses 60 by 121 minutes. Tell me, in 24 hours or a day, how many minutes clock loses? That is equal to 24 into 60 by 121, that is equal to 1440 by 121. It is improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction, that is equal to 109 by 121 minutes. Means in a day or 24 hours, clock loses this much time, or clock shows this much time less time than actual time. One problem. A clock is set right at 5 am. Means this clock is not perfect clock. It won't show 5 am when exact time is 5 am. We make it correct. Clock loses 16 minutes in 24 hours. Means in 24 hours of exact time, clock shows 16 minutes less time than actual time. Means in 24 hours, clock shows 23 hours 44 minutes. Now, what will be the true time or exact time when the clock indicates 10 pm on the 4th day? Now, tell me, in 24 hours of exact time, how much time clock shows? Just now I told you, clock shows 23 hours 44 minutes. Convert this 44 minutes into hours. So that is equal to 44 by 60. So total time shown by clock in 24 hours of exact time is 23 plus 44 by 60. That is equal to 23 plus 11 by 15. If we simplify this, we will get 356 by 15 hours. Means in 24 hours of exact time, clock shows 356 by 15 hours. Now, what is the time gap between today 5 am to 4th day 10 pm? Today 5 am to second day 5 am 24 hours. Second day 5 am to third day 5 am 24 hours. Third day 5 am to fourth day 5 am 24 hours. Fourth day 5 am to fourth day 5 pm 12 hours. Fourth day 5 pm to fourth day 10 pm 5 hours. So totally 3 24s 72 plus 12 plus 5 89 hours. Tell me, is this 89 hours clock showing time or exact time? Is this 89 hours clock showing time or exact time? What is 5 am? Is this 5 am clock showing time or exact time? At 5 am, clock is set right. Means when clock exact time is 5 am, clock is also showing 5 am. So 5 am is clock showing time is 5 am. At 5 am, clock showing time is 5 am. Exact time also 5 am. The time gap between today 5 am to 4th day 10 pm, whether it is exact time or clock showing time, depends on 10 pm. If 10 pm is exact time, time gap is also time gap between 5 am to 10 pm also exact time. If 10 pm is the clock showing time, time gap between 5 am to 10 pm, fourth day 10 pm also clock showing time. It is given that 10 pm is the clock showing time. So time gap between today 5 am to fourth day 10 pm is that 89 hours is the clock showing time. We know just now we derived if exact time is 24 hours, clock showing time is 356 by 15 hours. If clock showing time is 89 hours, what is the exact time? That is equal to 24 into 89 by 356 by 15. 15 goes to numerator. If we simplify this, we will get 90 hours. So exact time is 90 hours when clock showing time is 89 hours. Means exact time is 1 hour more than clock showing time. So clock shows 10 pm on the fourth day. So when clock is showing 10 pm on the fourth day, exact time is 1 hour more than that. So 1 hour more than 10 pm means 11 pm. So when clock shows 10 pm, exact time is 11 pm. One more problem. My watch was 3 minutes slow at 5 am on Tuesday, and it was 5 minutes fast at 11 am on Wednesday. When did it give correct time? Tell me, is this fast watch or slow watch? Definitely it is fast watch. If it is slow watch, it won't show 5 minutes more time at the end. So it is fast watch. You may get one doubt. If it is a fast watch, why it was 3 minutes slow in the beginning? It was set right like that. Clock is not slow. Clock was not slow in the beginning. It was set right like that. It was 3 minutes slow at 5 am. So totally in this period, how many minutes clock gained? Before finding this, I give you one example. There are two persons, A and B, both are walking. In the beginning, A is 3 meters behind B. After some time, A is 5 meters ahead of B. Tell me, in this period, how many meters A covered more than B? To reach B, A has to cover 3 meters more than B. For to head of B, 5 meters ahead of B, how many meters A has to cover more than B? 5 meters. So this 3 meters, 5 meters, 8 meters. So A covered 8 meters more than B. Just like that, this problem also. In the beginning, clock was 3 minutes slow, 3 minutes behind actual time. After that, 5 minutes ahead of actual time. So totally, how many minutes clock gained? 8 minutes it gained. What is the time gap? So 8 minutes gained. In how much time it gained 8 minutes? Tuesday 5 am to Wednesday 11 am. 5 am Tuesday to 5 am Wednesday 24 hours. 5 am Wednesday to 11 am Wednesday 6 hours. So total time is 24 plus 6, 30 hours. In 30 hours, clock gained 8 minutes. To gain 8 minutes, clock takes 30 hours. When it will show correct time? See the previous example. Here in the previous example, I assume B is the correct time, A is the given clock. B is correct clock, A is the given clock. So when this clock shows correct time, when A reaches B. To reach B, to coincide with B, A has to cover 3 meters more than B. Here, to coincide with perfect clock, this clock should gain 3 minutes. To gain 8 minutes, clock require 30 hours. To gain 3 minutes, how much time clock require? That is equal to 30 into 3 by 8, 90 by 8 hours. That is equal to 11 hours. 11, 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours equal to 15 minutes. So clock shows correct time after 11 hours 15 minutes from the beginning. Beginning is 5 am Tuesday. So 11 hours 15 minutes after 5 am Tuesday. 11 hours 15 minutes is 45 minutes less than 12 hours. So 12 hours after Tuesday 5 am is Tuesday 5 pm. 45 minutes less than that is Tuesday 4:15 pm. So clock shows correct time Tuesday at Tuesday 4:15 p.m.